Who is GoEngineer? We often get asked this question, and frankly, there are a number of answers. Our mission statement says that we provide software, technology, and expertise that enable our customers to unlock design innovations and deliver better products faster. And while that is true, that's only part of the GoEngineer story. From our inception, GoEngineer has been focused on partnering with our customers to make sure they have the tools their engineers need to enable them to create the products and develop the technologies that change the world. We're proud to play a role, however big or small it may be, in helping companies develop incredible products like more sustainable energy solutions, new and more efficient ways to transport people to the places they need to go, groundbreaking healthcare devices that save lives, and much more. Ultimately, our customers change the way our world operates. This is why we come to work every day. But there's still so much more to who we are. We could talk about all the awards we've received, the 40 offices across the US, the 150 plus certified technical people, the 22 million YouTube views, or the 30,000 software users that we support, and that would give you a better understanding of who we are. But who we are is defined by the group of amazing and talented people who work here. We believe strongly that if you're coming to work every day, you should enjoy your experience. We don't define our values, but you'll often hear phrases like, results are the currency of freedom, family comes first, and nobody at GoEngineer is successful without the help of others. We focus on what it feels like to come to work each day and how we treat each other. And the result is a workplace where people stay for years. It's common to find people who have worked here for 5, 10, 15 years or more. The question of who is GoEngineer really comes down to our customers that are developing products that change the world, and the incredible employees that do their jobs extremely well to support those customers. Every customer, every employee, helps define who we are, and we are proud that they are part of the GoEngineer family.